Ultimately, when it comes to making money online, you have to do free methods. Like if you cannot get profitable or start making money with free traffic, don't do paid ads. Like I highly recommend to most people, don't do any freaking paid ads. It's very unlikely you're gonna succeed. If you start a business for free and get it profitable for free with content, you're more likely to be able to scale things and make a lot more money. Like it's crazy. Acquire attention. Get marketing for free and send it to offers that you're promoting or that you own. Offers of your own or services of your own or affiliate offers that you want to promote and make money with. This is how money's made, this is how it's done. Now, how do you make good content? You pick a niche, research that niche, and you see what's working in that niche, and then you try to model after success. And sometimes most times, effort does equal results. So if you put a lot of effort into something, you're gonna get results. You're gonna get a lot of results if you do that. And so it's extremely powerful when you do that. Email marketing is also somewhat of a stressful and high risk business, but it has a high potential. You can promote digital products, you can promote CPA offers, all this stuff. That's what I do. You can even send people to YouTube videos and make YouTube AdSense revenue too with email marketing. It can be costly to get started. It requires a lot of tools to get started. To clean your list and keep it clean, actively clean your list, it costs money to do that. And so I really recommend for people, usually don't do email marketing unless you have money and a budget to scale and spend and invest inside the Money Accelerator. And the Money Accelerator is only $97 and you can cancel it anytime. It's $97 a month. It's one of the best offers I've ever made. I'm giving away money every month. I've got tons of leads inside worth thousands of dollars. I've got courses inside worth thousands of dollars, all combined, and future add-ons over time. And I'm gonna launch the Discord group in the future very soon. You can network, you can get active information, questions answered quick. The Learning Machine family, let's go. That's one of the things about making money. Like if you know people who are making money and ambitious people who know things, and if you just network, that's one of the quickest ways to make money. Like one of the quickest ways. When you know people, that's almost all you need. You almost don't even need skill sets. And I listened to a mentor about this. He's like, it's not what you know necessarily. Sometimes it's all about who you know. If you know successful people, you're almost guaranteed to be successful if you can offer value to them or just talk to them. Just talk money with them, because successful people like to talk about money. So if you want to make money, talk about money with successful people. You can network with people locally, you can network with people worldwide. The potential is limitless with networking, and I highly recommend it for people. When it comes to your own knowledge, there is no better investment than bettering yourself overall. More knowledge, more skill sets. This is just how you make a ton of money. You can start re-uploading videos in that niche and start crushing it. I'm serious when I say this. So if you guys want more value, I got freaking tons of value. Link is in the description if you're interested in that. It's just another income stream for me. The money doesn't go directly to me. Most of it goes to taxes because I save a lot of money and that freaking sucks that it goes to taxes. But it doesn't affect my life in any way, but it definitely affects your life. It gives you value, gives you skill sets, gives you knowledge when you invest in yourself. I help you freaking crush it with this stuff. And so if you're interested, go check out links in the description. You're gonna know more about everything I offer here. Peace out, Learning Machines. Let's go! Woo!